y'all, I'm Elisa, the scrappy wife behind scrappywife.com, and today we are back at IKEA to see what is new for fall 2020. I'd like to share with you my 8 best IKEA craft finds for this fall. Some of them are old, some of them are new, but all of them are super functional and really helpful for your craft room and just your home in general. My local IKEA has recently switched up all of their displays, so I am really excited to explore and see what's new and be newly inspired by all of this really functional storage. I have talked about the Nisa 4's utility cart too, but I was newly inspired when I saw this setup in the showroom. This looks like a perfect setup for working from home, perhaps virtual school. Everything is just all in one spot, gathered neatly. This is a really slim cart, so it's easy to fit several of them in a craft space, which I really appreciate. And I also like the handles on the top. It comes in white, black, and red, and it is $27.99 at my local IKEA. I like the deeper shelf on the bottom and the small ledges on the other two shelves. The next couple items I thought would be great displays. First, you have this soccer greenhouse, which I think would be so awesome to display for Christmas like you see here, or to put completed projects in, to store completed traveler's notebooks, maybe to store fabric in so that you could see through it. I just thought it was so cute, and for $19.99, going to be really functional in your craft room. I also really like these hanging plant holders. They are the Bitter Gurkha line. And I think, again, they would be awesome for displaying your craft supplies. Hanging from the ceiling will help you find more space in your room. And I like how they connected the holders together. Really, really neat and innovative. Next up are the Scattis pegboards that we all know and love, but I saw some new setups. Imagine using them for a gift wrapping station this holiday season. That would be so fantastic. I love that they switched out the displays to show you how that might work in your space. And then they also had this really innovative way that I hadn't seen before, where they had it mounted between two desktops, which I thought was awesome, perhaps in a kids area for dividing spaces or just getting double the use out of your pegboard. The Vilto line of shells were ones that I had not seen before, and I'm considering picking some up for my own home. I love how slim they are. They're actually in the bathroom section at IKEA, but they are so slim. I like the openness of them. And for me, I'm considering using them in a hallway actually to hold completed projects because I have so many. I think that these would be a really helpful way to display them, but also move them out of the craft room. I like how on the medium ones they have that hanger at the bottom. The larger ones have that terraced look. They get bigger as they go down. You have it in the light wood tones, and then the dark one is almost black. Not quite black, but really, really dark brown. I love that IKEA is changing out its shopping bags, and they have this new super cute one with all of these colored mustaches. I use these shopping bags all over my house for all kinds of things, and this one was absolutely adorable. I'll definitely be picking one or two up. I am definitely all about clear storage in a craft room, so I love these shelves. They are $12.99, the Melosa shelves, and they are clear and perfect for mounting your craft supplies on your wall, which is a fabulous way to save space, especially if you're working in a small space or maybe sharing a craft space with someone else for an office. Great way to save space. Add a bunch of these up on your wall. I nearly always have candles going in my craft room, and IKEA is a fabulous place to find candles. They actually have this new line that's absolutely beautiful with these ceramic candle holders that I think are just gorgeous, and the smells are absolutely beautiful as well. The smaller ones are $9.99, and that larger one is a 3-wick candle. It is huge. There's no telling how long it would last, and it is $25. Besides those more specialty candles, they also have tons of other ones to choose from. Tea lights are a must here because they're super affordable. They have lots of scents and flavors and all kinds of candle holders. This is just a really great place to come and kind of stock up on some of your favorite scents. They actually didn't have very many fall scents right here in the main area, but once I got to where the Christmas decor was, they did have a few more Christmas scents and a few more decorative candles that kind of fit with the Christmas holiday season. Here you can see some of those holiday candles I was talking about, perfect for stocking up on for this winter season. I love these with the imprints of the red images on them, super cute. And then they also had a new scent that I had not seen before, which was a coffee scent, and I loved it. Plus, look at the really cute container. It almost looks like cheetah print, but it's actually coffee beans around that candle. Super cute. All right, last but not least, there were tons of Christmas supplies and Christmas decor that you could use in this holiday season or all year round. I love all the different lights. They had a really pretty star light that was changing colors that would be absolutely gorgeous in your craft room all year long. I just thought there were some really nice options here that you don't find at your typical big box stores. So definitely come and check out the different lights. One of my favorite things that they had were these paper stars. I absolutely love them. I think they make beautiful lights, beautiful decor in any space, but especially a craft room because I think they are super inspiring. If you stuck with whites and grays, you could definitely have it all year round, mix in some reds, and it screams Christmas. There was a ton of gift wrap available in some beautiful shades and soft prints that I thought were really nice. They had individual rolls that were under $2, and then they had packs of 3 that kind of complemented each other for just a bit more. I also found a bag that was meant to hold gift wrap right here. So that will hold all of your gift wrap to keep it together. Maybe you want to keep your holiday gift wrap together, but I also thought this bag would be fabulous for transporting presents. If you are traveling or just going to someone's house, it's a great way to kind of transport presents from one spot to another. They also had a great selection of bits and bobs for embellishing your gift wrapping. Lots of washi, twine, gift tags, just things like that that can really kind of set your gift wrapping apart, which is tons of fun, and it's so affordable that you can pick up several things to try out. They had great boxes, and then I really liked the gift bags because they look so different. Look at how they have the twine that closes the bags instead of just the open bag at the top. I think that is so cute, and several of them were neutral enough that you could use them all year long, like this craft bag right here, or you can embellish it even more to customize the whole look. And that's it. Those are my favorite finds for IKEA this fall. Make sure you check them out online, or if you live near an IKEA, go check them out every season because they do come out with new items and new seasonal pieces that you may want to incorporate into your craft room. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. I hope that you have a fabulous day, and as always, keep it creative.